Hey there, just felt like actually covering some of the stuff we're selling on eBay that lets you be part of Memories in the Box. If you caught in the last batch of stuff we had set up, there's some wheels we're putting down as buy it now, cheap and very easy to get a hold of a piece without having to do the auction game. I know some people don't like it. And also we have apart from the middle of our puncher that we have put as the floor. That's been very intimate with the floor of the battle box. And then I went through and actually labeled some damaged parts and some fights various parts were a part of. So we have our front beak from our Valkyrie and Sawblaze fight. So if you want to figure out how to get under Sawblaze, this is helpful. We have our disc from many of our fights, but most of the chunks out of it are from Valkyrie and Bloodsport, and if labeled as such, they're some fun examples of impacts. This one's real fun, and Endgame made this not the shape it's supposed to be. So, and then the most powerful hit I think in this arrangement is the one that sent us flying. So this was one Endgame hit, and this was another, and there's some fun colors in the Metal Land with regards to the deformation that happened. Then there's also a set of shoulder armor, which is the doubled up. This is what we did for the Sawblaze fight, to go up to 7/16 thick of steel on top. Luckily, it didn't end up having to be used. It was in the fight. It just didn't get hit. So. But yeah, keep an eye out.